Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our comparison video of Pothos versus Monstera. Watch till the end to find out which is the best choice for you. So the main difference between a Pothos plant and a Monstera plant is their foliage. A Pothos plant is known for its heart-shaped, speckled leaves in various shades of green, white, and gold. It can grow to around 4 to 6 inches in width and 10 inches in length. In contrast, Monstera leaves are glossy, green, and perforated, growing up to 20 inches in length and 15 inches in width. Monstera plants therefore have more beautiful, grand, and vibrant-looking leaves. Growth patterns. Pothos plants are vines that climb and cascade with many internodes, while Monstera plants develop aerial roots, then grow upwards with rosettes and long stems, meaning they have more support and are bushier. Pothos plants therefore have better appeal since they can easily be placed in hanging baskets or on plant shelves. Care and maintenance. Pothos plants can grow in various conditions and easily tolerate low water conditions. On the other hand, Monstera plants require high humidity and prefer bright, indirect light settings. They also need frequent watering. Pothos plants are, therefore, easier to maintain. From the table, it's clear that Pothos and Monstera plants differ tremendously in appearance, as the former is smaller with a rounded stem, while the latter has a larger foliage and is flat. The difference in reproductive systems also means that the Pothos plants have easier pollination processes. Similarities. Both Pothos and Monstera plants are climbers that thrive on tree trunks. When grown in indoor environments, they can reach up to 10 feet tall. Both plant variations also grow in indirect light and porous soil. Verdict. So, which one is better? All in all, the Pothos plant would be the best option for beginner planters. It is an easy plant to maintain because of its versatility. The plant does not require consistent watering and only needs well-draining soil. It also fits perfectly in indoor spaces and is aesthetically pleasing. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you'd like to see next from us.